Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Liliana. In today's tutorial we are going to learn how to sew this handy dental pouch. This pouch has a decorative stitch quilt and it's all made by waterproof fabric. In the front one there is a vinyl and the interior fabric I turn it into a waterproof fabric. Yes, it's true. I made it myself and you can do it as well. You just need to click right here or in the link in the description below to watch the video where I show how to waterproof the fabrics. You can take this pouch everywhere to work. Your kids can take it to the school. It's very handy and so easy to do. You can find the link for the pattern in the description box. It's total free. You just need to download it. Depending on the size of your toothbrush or your toothpaste, you can change the measurements. So, enough talking. Let's get started. For our dental hygiene pouch, we are going to need the free pattern. You can find it by clicking in the link in the description below. The pattern has all the instructions you need. Just need to glue the zone A with the zone B. Also, we will need 2 pieces of fabric, one for the main fabric and another one for the lining one, and a piece of interfacing, a piece of vinyl. This one is 0.4 millimeters. You can use 0.2, 0.3 is up to you. We are going to need a set of plastic snaps, bias tape, and that's all we need. On the first step, we are going to clip all the fabrics together, making a sandwich on this order. Wrong side of the lining fabric, interfacing, and right side up of the main fabric. After this, we are going to draw our pattern on our sandwich all the way around like this. And now we are going to do a quick quilt to fix all of them. If you want to know how to make a quick quilt, you can find in the video by clicking on the description down below. All our fabrics are now all fixed together, as you can see, with a quick quilt. I quilt a sandwich. Before I trimmed, I sewed all over the line we draw in our project with the pattern. Now we are going to fix our bias tape into the vinyl. We just need to top stitch the bias. Now we are going to sew our vinyl on our body. You need to measure 10 centimeters from the top and we just need to sew all around our edges to fix the vinyl on the fabric. We are almost finished. We just need to apply our bias all the way round our piece. To sew the bias tape, you need to open the bias on one side and then you need to sew on this crease. On the corner now, we need to fold our bias to the out of the project and then fold it in again into our project. Now we are going to sew again in the crease. On the other corner, we're going to do the same thing. Fold out and fold in. Now we are getting close to the round part and we need to make sure our edge of the bias is always on the edge of our project, like this. And we carry on with the sewing on the crease. Our project is done. We just need to apply the plastic snap. If you want to know how to apply plastic snaps, you can click right here, or you can find the link for the video in the description box. Do you think it was easy? Tell me your answer on the comments down below. Don't forget to tag me on your Instagram photos. I would love to see all your projects. Thank you so much for watching and see you next video.